and your pot will sit on top of it. So hello YouTube. In today's video I'm going to talk to you about bug out bags. For those of you that already know about bug out bags, most of us like to review other people's bug out bags. I know I like to watch other people's videos and see what they've got, so go ahead and stay tuned for that. For those of you that don't know what a bug out bag is, well, in essence it's a bag that you would take with you in the event that you need to bug out, hence the name. So that could be for a wildfire, that could be for civil unrest, you know, any sort of natural disaster, anything along that nature. A bug out bag typically has enough gear in it to keep you going relatively indefinitely with the equipment, so to speak. May have food. Mine does have food in it. Mine's more of a hybrid between like a 72-hour kit and a bug out bag. So rather than go through each individual component, you can just kind of listen to me as you're watching me unload this bug out bag. So I touched on why you may need a bug out bag. For one instance is we most recently have wildfires going in Oregon right now that are threatening a lot of our metro areas. We just had a fire right in the town that I live in, 2.5 miles from me, with evacuation orders. So that would be a perfect example of why you may want to have a bug out bag. And if you do have one, the best place to keep it would be in your vehicle, in my opinion, or in a garage somewhere where you can grab it quickly. In evacuations, especially with wildfires, you've got to go. If you're a level 3 evacuation, you know, you don't have any time to throw things together or get things together. So you've got to go. And if it's already in your vehicle, that's definitely going to help you and save time. You know, if it's in your garage, you might be able to get to it quick enough. But that would be one example of why in more detail. Again, I'm not going to go over in detail every item in this bug out bag, but as you can see, one of the main components would be a good quality knife. I highly recommend this. It'd be one of your top 3 things you would need: a knife, something to start a fire, so a fire steel, and definitely a container to boil water in. So in this instance, it's a pot. I have a couple pots in this bug out bag. If you would like to know more specifically what items I have in this bag or what each item is or what brand, you can always comment and I will get back to you and let you know. I will have future videos that go more in depth over this bug out bag and its contents. And then, like I said, if you're new to this, you can go ahead and comment me as well. Ask me any questions and I can get back to you and let you know what you may need or what specific items are. I would like to note that there's other types of bags out there as well. There's EDC, which stands for everyday carry bags, as well as get home bags, like this one. Also 72-hour bags. A lot of times they can be known by different names. What's important is that you just get a start, especially if you're new to this. You know, you might want to start small with EDC bags. That could be something as small as a bag with a pot, a knife, a fire steel, and possibly a small tarp. And that would be a very good start for you. That'd be something that you could put in your vehicle and have with you at all times. In a future video, I will be going over a very good starter EDC kit that I recommend that would have some of the essentials that I talked about. Again, that would be something that would be very good for a starting point. Put it in your car and know that you've always got something with you. Go ahead and be watching for any future videos that I may have, including that one. Everyday carry bags, bug out bags, get home bags are all in large part based on the rule of 3s and the priorities of survival. I encourage you to look the priorities of survival and the rule of 3s up, learn about them. They are essential for a lot of aspects in survival, and some do carry over into bushcrafting as well. These bags are personalized to each person, and really there's no wrong way to pack them or wrong items, so to speak, to put in them. A lot of people get real quick to give opinions on what they think you need in your bag. But what you have in your bag may differ from what they have in their bag. The main thing is to make sure that you have the key components for survival in your bag, the key items that you would need. You know, the other thing to take note on is the weight. You can see how much stuff I have in this bag. These are all things that I determined that I would want if I was bugging out and never coming back. Mine may look a lot heavier than a lot of other people's, but again, this is my preference. So you need to develop yours with your preference. You know, do research, decide what items you would like to have in your bag. I would like to thank you for watching this video, and if you did like the video, I encourage you to like, share, and as well as subscribe to my channel for future content. Also, I would like to note that I do have a donation link for my PayPal account at the bottom of the description in my videos. Those donations allow me to upgrade video and audio equipment so I can do better quality videos as time goes on, as well as purchase items and gear for reviews.